Very good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study a very important topic, that is marketing research. So before we begin, let me ask you very important question. How do companies know what product people want? How did they decide what price to keep or which advertisement will attract customers? And the right answer is through marketing research. Okay? So, first of all, let's understand the meaning of marketing research. So, basically, marketing research is the systematic collection, recording, and analysis of data about problem relating to the marketing of goods and services. It helps the manager to make informed decisions instead of guessing. In simple word, we can say that marketing research means finding out what customer actually want, what competitor are doing, and how to sell product better. For example, suppose Coca-Cola want to launch a new drink. Before launching, they will do marketing research, collect information about customer taste, pricing, packaging, and competitor like Pepsi. Based on the data, they will make decision. So marketing research is very important in every field. Okay. So next we have importance of marketing research. Now let's understand why marketing research is so important in business. Every successful company uses research as a tool to stay ahead. If we talk about the importance of marketing research, it helps in decision making. Okay, it helps to understand the customer need as well as product development. It is also very important in case of market forecasting. Apart from that, it also solves the marketing problem and improves the customer satisfaction. So let's understand these points one by one. First point we have, it helps in decision making. So basically marketing research provide the data for making sound marketing decision, like what to produce, how to promote, and where to sell. Next we have understanding customer need. Basically it helps understand the customers likes, dislike, income level, and buying habits. Next, we have product development. That means the research help design new product that actually meet the market demand. Apart from that, we have market forecasting. It helps to predict the future trends and demands. Next, we have it solves the marketing problem. For example, if sales are falling, research helps to identify whether the reason is high price or poor promotion or bad quality. And last point we have, it improves the customer satisfaction by continuously understanding and improving product based on customer feedback. Okay, for example, before Maruti Suzuki launches a new car, they survey customer about design and price range. That's a marketing research in action. Okay, next topic we have stages in the marketing research process. So basically marketing research is not done randomly. It follows a proper process, like a step by step investigation. Let's go through the main stages one by one. First stage we have defining the problem. So basically this is the most important step. If the problem is not clear, the research will fail. For example, why are sales declining, or which advertisement will work best. So we need to identify the solution of these problems. Next stage we have developing the research plan. That means once the problem is defined, the researcher decides what information is needed, how to collect it. Like we can use the observation methods, either survey method or experiment method. Next, Who will be studied? That means what is the target customer? Next we have what budget and time are available, and accordingly we can develop our research plan. Third stage we have collecting the data. That means data can be two types. It may be primary data, it may be secondary data. So if we talk about the primary data, that means collected first hand data through surveys, interviews, focus group, and in case of secondary data, it is already available in reports, in journal, and internet. For example, a company may conduct online survey or visit stores to observe buying behavior. Next, we have stage 4, analyzing and interpreting data. The collected data is analyzed using statistics, chart, and graph to find useful pattern or trends. For example, 60% of customers prefer eco-friendly packaging. Okay, stage 5, presenting the finding. Here, the researcher prepares a report or presentation summarizing key result and recommendation. Next, we have decision and action. That means management uses the research finding to make decision like launching a product or new campaign or changing the product price. Next topic we have scope of marketing research. So now students, let's understand the scope. That means the range or area covered under marketing research. Marketing research covers all aspects of marketing such as product research, where we study product design, quality, branding, packaging. For example, which color of packaging attract customer more. Next we have price research to find the right price acceptable to customer and profitable for the company. Next is we have promotion research. It helps to design effective advertisement and promotional campaign. Apart from that, we have market research, which involves studying the size of the market, customer group, and competitor strategies. As well as we have sales research to find the best sales method, territories, and sales forecasting. After that, we have consumer research, where we basically studies the buying habit, preferences, and satisfaction level. And last, we have distribution research. It helps to decide the best channel of distribution like online or offline. Next, we have problem formulation in marketing research. Now comes an important technical part where problem formulation, this means clearly stating what exactly we are researching. A problem in research does not mean something negative. It means the question or issue to be studied. So these are the steps in problem formulation. First, we have understand the background. That means collect preliminary information about the issue. Second step, we have identify the key variable. For example, if sales are declining, key variable could be price, it may be quality, it may be promotion, or it may be competition. It depends on the situation. Next, we have state the problem clearly. For example, to find out the reason for the decline in sales of product X in North India. Okay, next we have set research objective. For example, to study customer satisfaction, to analyze competitor activities, to suggest improvement. For example, if a restaurant is losing customer, the problem could be taste, hygiene, service, or pricing. So the research must be framed to identify which one. Okay, so next we have choice criterion model. So finally, let's talk about choice criterion model. Okay, this model basically helps the manager to choose the best alternative based on the certain criteria. When marketing manager have to make choices, say between two advertisement campaign, they use criteria like cost, effectiveness, time, customer response, and risk. Okay, next we have types of choice criterion model. So basically we have economic model, psychological model, and sociological model, managerial judgment model. So let's understand these models one by one. Economic model, that means decisions are made to maximize profit or minimize cost. Apart from that, we have psychological model, where we based on this model is basically based on consumer psychology, like feeling, motivation, perception. Next, we have sociological model. It considered the social factor like culture, family, peer pressure. Next, we have managerial judgment model. It is based on experience and intuition of manager. For example, a company want to choose between online advertisement and newspaper ad, and criteria used reach, like cost, response rate, and target audience. They apply the choice model to select the better option. So come to the conclusion part. Marketing research is basically the backbone of market, you can say modern marketing. It helps businesses to understand customer, reduce risk, and make smart decisions. So always remember this thing: good research lead to good decision, and good decision lead to successful business. So that is all about for the today's class. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a good day.